Did you know that your dinner could be a ticking time bomb? One simple mistake with temperature, and you might be serving a plate full of bacteria. Today, we're revealing the one temperature range that could save your life or make you seriously sick. In food safety, there's a critical range called the danger zone. It's between 4 degrees and 60 degrees, or 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit, where bacteria grow at their fastest. That means if your food stays in this zone too long, it becomes a breeding ground for Salmonella, E. coli, and other pathogens. At room temperature, bacteria can double every 20 minutes. One bacterium can turn into thousands in just a few hours. This could lead to serious foodborne illnesses like vomiting, diarrhea, or worse, especially for children, the elderly, and pregnant women. Buffet food, party platters, packed lunches, all high risk. If food is not kept hot enough or cooled quickly enough, it enters the danger zone. Refrigerators must stay at or below 4 degrees Celsius. Cold temperatures don't kill bacteria, but they stop them from multiplying. Always store raw and cooked foods separately and never trust your senses. Use a thermometer. Hot food should be kept above 60 degrees Celsius. Below that, you're back in the danger zone. Keep food hot in steam tables, ovens, or holding pots until it's ready to be served. Food should not sit at room temperature for more than 2 hours. If it's hot and needs to be cooled, do it fast. Split leftovers into smaller containers so they cool quickly in the fridge. Use ice baths, shallow pans, or blast chillers to bring hot food down to safe fridge temperatures quickly. This is especially crucial in restaurants where large batches of food are prepared at once. A simple thermometer can make the difference between safe food and food poisoning. Don't guess, check. Keep logs if you're working in a commercial kitchen. Here's one mistake that happens far too often: cooling large batches of food the wrong way. A whole pot of soup placed in the fridge, still warm inside, cools too slowly and stays in the danger zone for hours. Instead, divide food into shallow containers. Cool it quickly. Always check the temperature, and when in doubt, throw it out. Let's recap. The danger zone is between 4 and 60 degrees Celsius, where bacteria grow the fastest. Keep cold food below 4, hot food above 60, and never leave food out longer than 2 hours. Good food safety isn't hard, but it takes discipline. Get the temperature right, and you're already winning.